Hey everyone, I'm Aram, and today we're drawing an anime face. First, the center line. This line decides everything. Mess this up, and congrats, new face unlocked. Light hand, no pressure. Now the eye line, because one eye always tries to escape. Now the nose line, very light, like barely there light. Same with the nose and the mouth. Super soft lines, because if I don't like the placement, I want the freedom to change my mind. No pressure, no commitment. This is the I might move this later stage. All right, let's go. Now I want to draw the finger pulling the mask down. Hopefully, it actually looks like it's doing that grinning face with smiling eyes. I start simple and very light, just to show the motion. Alright, now it's eye time. This is where the face finally gets a soul. I start very light, just placing the shapes. No pressure. Eyes always need a few tries. If they look weird at first, that's normal. They always do. Alright, now the sketch finally makes sense. The idea is clear, the face is working, and honestly, I'm kind of happy with it grinning face with smiling eyes. So now it's time for cleanup. I start by fixing the framing, cleaning all the messy sketch lines, and slowly darkening the lines I actually want to keep. This is my favorite part. No stress, no guessing, just following the sketch and enjoying the process. I take my time here, because clean lines can change everything. Same drawing, but suddenly it feels way more polished. Next, I add a bit of soft shading. Nothing heavy, nothing crazy, just enough to give the face some depth and mood. If you enjoy drawing with me, don't forget to hype it up. Hit like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who loves art. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, waving end pencil.